54 years.
50 years now.
40 plus years.
60 years.
26 years.
Hi, I'm Derek Thompson, the Sales Director for your Ford Centre. We're here today in Cupar Ford Centre with Fife Safety Community Partnership to hold a DriveWise 65 Plus event with Fife Police. It's a very local community partnership programme that we're more than happy to get on board with and allow the guys to use our premises, etc. for what's going to be a great event.
Hi, I'm Gillian Kelly. I'm from Fife Council Safer Communities team. Today we're putting on an event to organise for older drivers to come along to the DriveWise 65 Plus course. It's aimed at keeping older drivers driving safer for as long as they can and as long as they feel safe to do so. The whole idea is just to keep people driving for longer and give them a bit more confidence with their driving.
My name's Margaret. Approximately 54 years. I want to take out of this that could show me pointers as to, am I going right, am I doing it right, am I doing it wrong, for my own safety and the safety of everybody else on the road, basically.
My name's Sandy Smith. I've been driving since I was 17, so that's 50 years now, just to see if I've picked up any bad habits over the years.
My name's Rachel. I've been driving for 40 plus years. Just to be told that I'm still able to drive safely.
Ilona, 26 years. Confidence, experience, tips.
Hello, I'm Ian. 60 years. Well, I do a lot of volunteer driving, and I just want assurance that my driving is the standard for all the passengers I'm taking.
My name's Diane, 40 plus years. For my confidence to be, kind of boosted. And to learn some tips, some things that I have forgotten or never actually learned.
Name's Norman. I've been driving cars for 41 years, motorbikes for 50 odd.
The 65 plus course is very important to people. Some of the participants come in and they are quite anxious about how they're going to drive and how they're going to be seen to be driving. And it's quite a worrying time for them. However, when they come back in from their drive, they're quite excited. They've enjoyed it. Driving for 65 plus is great for independence. They need to be independent as long as they can.
I'm PC Asmar with Fife Road Policing. We've been asked to come to the Fife DriveWise to assist some older drivers to gain confidence on the road.
And we're within a 40 mile an hour limit just now, but I'm only doing 30. If I was doing 40, I would be having to slow down and brake for the bends. So if I just sit at 30, I can quite safely get through these bends without slowing down. So I'm not excessively speeding up, I'm not harshly braking to slow down.
So part of what we've looked at today is car control, observations and planning for any hazards on the road ahead.
And something else that I've been pointing out to a lot of people is, see when you see like these tree lines that are sort of run horizontal to the road, a lot of times when you get that, there's actually going to be a junction at the end of that, because that's normally where your access to farms and so on are.
So we've given pointers to some of the drivers in areas to improve, and hopefully that will give them extra confidence when driving on the road if they're travelling on further distances or in reduced driving conditions.
We need more of this. We definitely need more of this. And I think older people would appreciate this. It's terrifying to begin with when you think about it, but just be normal, just drive how you drive on every day.
You need to drive naturally,
Yeah,
or
you
else
do.
there's no point to this.
I know. Excellent, you're doing a grand job.
Well worth it. You're looking to pick up any bad habits you've picked up over the years. The policeman doing the driving put over quite a lot of information on the drive. Yes, it was well worth it.
Well, I was really looking for my confidence to be, kind of boosted, and to learn some tips, some things that I have forgotten or never actually learned. So I'm going away with some tips. I'm certainly going away with some things that the police officer said that I should be doing, or it'd be a good idea to do them regularly.
Every day is a school day as far as I'm concerned, and today helped me get assurance about my driving qualities and continue on the road.
It was a very good experience. Lots of good information from the police, and very happy that I took part.
This was an absolutely superb experience. Really worth it. Taking the time, superb.
It was lovely, and he explained what we were doing clearly. Very calm and relaxed. And I was worried sick before coming on this, but now I feel quite confident my driving isn't as bad as what my son thought it was. I've really enjoyed it, and everyone has been so nice. Even the camera guy.